Cryptalis community, welcome back to your daily source of global news that matters. I am bringing you the top stories shaping our world on this Sunday, February 15th. So let's begin with our first news. Ukraine-Russia peace talks head to Geneva. Critical peace negotiations set for the Geneva this week. Ukraine and Russia are preparing for another crucial round of US-brokered peace talks, scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday, February 17 and 18 in Geneva, Switzerland. This comes as the conflict approaches its fourth anniversary with no breakthrough in sight. Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky expressed cautious hope during the Munich Security Conference, but voiced frustration that America often asks Ukraine, not Russia, to make concessions. The talks follow two previous rounds in Abu Dhabi that failed to achieve significant progress on territorial disputes, which remain the major sticking point in negotiations. So let's begin to our next news. Europe accuses Russia of poisoning Navalny. 5 European nations conclude Russia killed opposition leader with the poison dart frog toxin. In a major development, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Sweden and the Netherlands released a joint assessment concluding that Russia opposition leader Alexei Navalny was poisoned with the epipetidine, a powerful neurotoxin derived from the South American poison dart frogs. Navalny died in a Russian prison in February 2024, and the European nations finding directly contradicts Russia's repeated denials of involvement. Russia has dismissed these allegations as Western propaganda, but US Secretary of State Marco Rubio called the report troubling addition international pressure on Moscow. So our next news comes with the Winter Olympics. Brazil wins first Winter Olympic medal. Norway Klæbo becomes the most decorated Winter Olympian. The 2026 Winter Olympics in Milan Cortina are delivering historical moments. Brazilian sky racer Lucas Pinheiro of Britain made history by winning gold in the men's giant slalom, earning South American first ever Winter Olympics medal. Meanwhile, Norway Johannes Høsflot Klæbo scored his 9th career gold medal in cross-country skiing, becoming the most decorated Winter Olympian of all time. The United States is also performing strongly with Team USA men's hockey team defeating Denmark 6-3 and figure skaters winning gold in the team event. So our next news comes with the Jeffrey Epstein's investigation continues. Investigation into the Jeffrey Epstein case continues to unfold with new developments. Authorities are examining connection and potential accomplices in Epstein's criminal network. The investigation has promoted renewed calls for accountability and transparency regarding those who may have facilitated or benefited from the Epstein's crimes. This remains a closely watched case as investigators work to ensure justice for victims and expose the full extent of the criminal network. So our last news comes with the Munich Security Conference highlights global tensions. The Munich Security Conference brought together international leaders this weekend to discuss pressing global security issues. Key topics included the ongoing Ukraine conflict, rising tension in various regions, and the future of international cooperation. The conference served as a platform of diplomatic dialogue with leaders emphasizing the need for multilateral approaches to complex security challenges. This discussion comes at the critical time as the world faces the multiple geopolitical flashpoints and evolving security threats. And that's your global news update for February 15. The world continues to evolve rapidly and staying informed has never been more important. If you found this valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily global news coverages. We are here every day bringing you the stories that matter explained clearly and concisely. Thanks for watching Cryptalis. I will see you tomorrow with more news from around the world. Stay informed, stay engaged and stay curious.